Introduction to blood donation. Why should we donate blood? Health benefits of blood donation. Blood donation eligibility. How much blood can be taken? Instruction to blood donors. Blood type and matches. And the last but not the least would be the conclusion. Why should donate blood? What is so wonderful about blood? Blood flows everywhere through the human body. We cannot live without it. The heart pumps blood to all our body cells, supplying them with oxygen and food. Blood also carries proteins and cell fragments called platelets, and that let blood clot where there has been an injury. Red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen to body tissues and remove carbon dioxide. They are red because they contain a protein called hemoglobin that is red in color. Red blood cells are round and thinner in the middle, like a balloon that is partially filled with water. This lets them squeeze through tiny blood vessels without breaking. Platelets. If a blood vessel is cut, platelets stick to the edges of the cut and to one another, forming a plug that stops the bleeding. They then release chemicals that react with the fibrogen and other clotting proteins, leading to formation of a blood clot. The blood vessel can then heal over the cut area. Plasma. Plasma is the liquid part of your blood in which red cells and platelets float. Plasma is mostly water, but the proteins it contains are necessary for life. Some of these proteins are clotting proteins. Blood fact. If someone is in an accident, has surgery or gets cancer, let's know about an interesting blood fact. If someone is in an accident, has surgery or gets cancer, they may need another person's blood to help them survive. There is no substitute for blood transfusion. This blood comes from the blood donor. Blood fact. In India, a blood transfusion is needed about every 2 seconds. Did you know when someone donates a pint of blood, that blood is separated into red cells, plasma and platelets. Each one of these can be given to a different patient who needs only the part of blood that has been separated. Blood fact. A kidney transplant patient on average will need 1 to 2 units of red blood cells to get through the surgery. A heart transplant patient on average will need 4 to 6 units of red blood cells. Plasma. Plasma transfusion helps hundreds of patients with liver disease, severe burns, hemophilia and leukemia. Transplant and cardiac patients are also helped by plasma transfusion. Plasma provides essential clotting factors to these patients. Blood fact. A liver transplant patient on average will need 6 to 10 units of red blood cells, 20 units of plasma and 10 units of platelets. Blood fact. A newborn open heart surgery on average will need 1 to 4 units of red blood cells, 1 to 2 units of plasma and 1 to 4 units of platelets. Do you know? Blood type. Not every person has same blood type. Blood type refers to features of the person's red blood cells. There are hundreds of these different features. Blood type. The A, B, O blood groups are the features most people know about. In this group, there are 4 different types of red blood cells: A, B, AB and O. Blood type. About half of our blood is O. The next most common blood group is A. A few people have a type B and even a few have a type AB. Blood type. TH, RH blood groups are the next most familiar types. People whose red cells have a particular feature called the D antigen are Rh positive. People who lack that factor are Rh negative. Most people are Rh positive. Blood type. Type O blood may be transfused into patients of any blood type. Rh negative blood type may be transfused into patients of either Rh type. So, O negative is a very special blood type in a blood donor. Blood fact. About half of Indians can safely be blood donors, but only about 5% actually donate blood. The other 95% are relying on these donors if they ever need a transfusion. Donating blood is easy. It is quick and it is safe. It doesn't hurt badly at all and it saves life. Today we would like to ask you to seriously consider becoming a blood donor when you become 17 years old. If you know somebody who has been helped by a blood transfusion, think about the good person that made a blood donation to help your friend. Think about organizing a blood drive at your school or help at blood drive in your community. Talk with an adult about the importance of donating blood. Together we can save life. It is one of the most important things you can do. What time is it? So how much time has passed since we started? Many people have needed blood. Remember, the only way for someone to receive blood is for another person to donate it. Thank you.